Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the biorationals and insecticide and pesticide. So, what is the biorational? Biorational is the active ingredient formulation that effective control the pest and derive the biological or natural virgin. These are the what is the biorational of the pesticide? How to define that? This the term is derived through the two words. Two words, biological and rationals. These are the referring to pesticide of the natural virgin and that have the limited and no adverse effect on the environment and biological. These are called the biorationals. And these are the characters of the different characters of the biorational are the use as the better control than the environmental insecticide. Border of the spectrum of activity, minimal beneficial insect, part of the pre-harvest interval, cheaper requirements for the required certified and organic production, less of the toxic workers for the consumer, low toxicity, and suffer from the environment and bit of the action of the background of the environment. So that these are the character of the biorationals. So next one is these are also as character like naturally as the occurring substance and the substance of the plant virgin, substance of the animal virgins, and the next is the microorganisms of the pesticides like insect and regulators, skills, and the plant oils like mint and the pine of the caraway insect and the harpooler, the dash rapeseed and the castor beans, coconut, soybean. So substance is the animal virgin is the beeswax and the hydrolyzed proteins and the animal fats like a white fish and the herring, mechanical and the sardine and the digger. These are the substances used as the trap of the diammonium phosphate, metadienide and propionate and the pyridox. These are the different types of substances used as the trapping and distribution. So other is the paraffin and the mineral is the key precision permanganates. These are the also as a use of the substances used as the biorational as a control. Next one is the insecticide act. That means the continuous as the more insecticide application with the very toxicity. Then the government has decided to pass the act for the control the insecticide application in the fields. So the parliament is the 19th years of the Republic Day in the Act as the regulated import and manufacturing, sale, transport, distribution, use of the insecticide at the view of the prevented the risks of human beings of the animal and the matter. So the different are the same as the past like insecticide act, fungicide act, herbicide acts and the FCO fertilizer based control order, food control orders. These are the same parameters the government decided at the only the measure the maintain the quality of the products and the no protection of the hazards. And these are the characters. So next one is the definition. So the definition is that the animal has been used for the human beings and the protection of the billets and the boards as the main central insecticide board, central insecticide board and the constitute under the section 4. So the central insecticide laboratory means the central laboratory is the established in the near the institution and the certified section 7. Section 7 is the import mean any into the python and the tetraids territories and this act extend to the place other. So insecticide act means that the substance is specified in the schedule further such as the substances and the target fungicide which is set in central. The government may be the consultants with the boards and the notification of the official gazettes including the board of the times. So the any preparation of the containing of the substance. So the insecticide analyzed the base insecticide analyzed appointment under the section 19. The insecticide inspector, that means the insecticide as the section. These are the character and the criteria have defined the insecticide, the role in the rule how to control, how to the import, how to the implement of the controlling the insecticide control. So the rule is the insecticide, that means the dealer with the rule and the expiry date and the forms, laboratory, manufacturing date. These are the different type of parameters and the governing by the insecticide rules. So the next one is the list of banned acids. These are the some acids are very toxic for the human health and the crops and the residue are more available in the world. So these are banned by the government. So these are the like aluminum phosphate, DDT, landin, and methyl bromide, methyl parathion, sodium cyanide, methyl ethyl mercury chloride, monoprotophos, endosulfan, nitreon, and diazine, pantene, diazometates. So these are the parameter and control the list of the band insecticide and the control by the host. So next one is the fat of insecticide in the soil and plant. So fat insecticide that means the leaching and some of the herbicide food zone and give the better for the weed control. And next one the some of the less pesticide and environments can be harmful. So not basically the chemical reaches in the targeted side. Next one is the runoff and the move herbicide in the targeted weed. So the chemical washed into the weed control residue in the more chance the damage in the polluting the soil and water. So the sum is the downward and the outside the application has the many effect of the pesticide and the environment and the transfer to break down the degradation. So transfer is the process the movement of pesticide in the targeted site. So the volatilization is sprayed next to the including volatilization and spray drift in the leaching with the crop removal. So these are the effect of the herbicides and the soil and plant and the next one is the transfer process. Transfer process that means the absorption and the binding of pesticide in the soil particles. So the amount of pesticide absorbed by the soil and various pesticides, soil moisture, pH, soil texture. So pesticides are the strongly absorbed by the soil are on the high clay organic matter content. So they not strongly absorbed to sandy soil, but most of the band cellulose of the size and the vapor. So least the down and the soil also is the plants. Next is the volatility. Volatility is the losses of the nutrients from the air and the process of the solid and liquid converting to the gases. So the move from the application of the side. So the movement of the cart and the vapor drift. These are also called the vapor drift. And the vapor drift is the sometimes the herbicide can damage nearby the crops. So the pesticide volatiles the most of the rapidly from the sandy and the wet soil. So the hot, dry wind and the weather, small spray drops and the increased volatilization. So the recommended of the incorporation of pesticide into the soil can be reduce the volatilization process. So United wants to control the volatilization. So next one is the spray drift. Spray drift that means the airborne movement when the spray of the split in the way treatment during the application. So the spray drift is affected by the spray droplet size. Size is smaller or droplet size the more likely in the wet drift. So the wind speed is strongly wind. The highly the wind speed is more than more. Then the more the pesticide is sprayed with the drift. So the next one the different distance between the nozzle and the targeted plants to ground. So greater the distance, more wind can be affected by the spray. These are the spray drift and the characters and so the showing in the nature. So next one is the runoff and movement of pesticide with the water sloping of the surface. So the pesticide at the runoff and the controller compounds dissolve in the water attachment. So the particle as the amount of pesticide that runoff depend like a slope of the soil, also ingredient, structure of the soil, moisture content, amount of the time the rainfall event, and the pesticide runoff and pesticide pollutants. These are the parameter of the effective or the increase the pollutants in the effect of the herbicides. And the next one, last one is the leaching. So leaching so that effect as the movement of the pesticide in the water through into the soil. Leaching occurs downward and upwards and sideways. So the factor influencing whether pesticide and leach to the groundwater and affect the water and soil. So the soil pesticide interaction with the water and the rain event to the such irrigation as the water runoff. So the factors summarized in the table such like pesticide in the water soluble and the again intake by the human health. So the soil is the sandy as the movement is more than more by the air. So the same event of the after spraying and the pesticide and the absorb in the soil. So these are the character of the after leaching the pesticide insecticide in the add in the soil. So the effect more than more. So the discussion should be closed. So the good day.